Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we will discuss HPSSC storekeeper postcode 872 question paper held on 28th March 2021. So we'll start with first question. The Bhakti movement was organized by, so the right answer is option D, Ramnujacharya. Question number 2. The father of extremist movement in India is, the right answer is option D, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Next question is who designed the national flag of independent India? So the right answer is option A, Pingali Venkaya. Question number 4. The doctrine of lapse was first applied in the princely state of, so the here right answer option D, none of these. Question number 5. In which year salt satyagraha took place? So here the right answer is option B, 1930. The founder of Brahmo Samaj was, so the right answer is option D, none of these. Brahmo Samaj founder was Raja Rammohn Roy. Next question is the editor of Young India was, so the right answer is Jawaharlal Nehru, option A is correct. Next question, which is not mentioned in the preamble of our constitution? So the right answer is option D, adult suffrage. Next question, fundamental right can be suspended by, so here the right answer is option B, president. Next, who administer the oath of office to the president? So the right answer is Chief Justice of India, option A. Next question is implementing laws in the function of, so the option is A, executive. Next, what is the maximum number of members of Rajya Sabha? So the right answer is option A, 250. Question number 13. The district judge is under the control of, so the right answer is High Court. Next question, the 73rd constitutional amendment is related to, option A is correct, Panchayati Raj. Question number 15. How many types of emergency is provisioned in the Indian constitution? So the answer is option A, 15. Question number 16. When was the National Commission for Minority established? So 1992, option C. Question number 17. The new official language of United Nations is Arabic, option D. Low tides are, so the right answer option B, weak. Which is the international date line? So here the right answer is option C, 180 degree longitude. Next question, which is not an igneous rock? So the right answer is option A, dolomite. Next question, the largest producer of coffee in the world is, it's option B, Brazil. Next question, the Earth Summit was organized by, the option B is correct, UNICEF. Question number 23. In which of the following country has the maximum population of Muslims? So the right answer is Indonesia. Next question, Sun Temple is situated in the state of, so the right answer is option C, Odisha. With which of the following country India has a land dispute near Tawang? So the right answer option B, China. Next question, which of the following passes lies in the Satluj Valley? So here the right answer is Shipkila. Next question, badland topography is the characteristics of Chambal Valley, option C. Next question, Lona Lake is located in Maharashtra, so option A is correct. The largest river of peninsular India is, option A, Ganga. Next question is the first hydroelectric power plant in India was set up at, so right answer option A, Sivasamandram. Next question, which of the following receives rainfall by northeastern monsoon? So here the right answer is Tamil Nadu. Which region is covered by the tropical evergreen forest? So the right answer is option D, Western Ghat. Which is not a rabi crop in India? So option C is correct, jute. Where is India's most prized tea grown? So here right answer option B, Darjeeling. Next question, Nam Dhaba National Park is located at, so it's option D, Arunachal Pradesh. Next, Khetri is famous for, so the right answer is copper. Next question, the largest producer of lac in India is, so the right answer is option B, Jharkhand. The supply of labor in the economy depends on population, option A is correct. Next question, which is an example of joint supply? So the right answer is ink and fountain pen. An expenditure that has been made and cannot be recovered is called, so the right answer is sunk cost, option C is correct. Same price prevails throughout the market under, option C is perfect competition. 42. The sum total of the income received for the service of labor, land, capital in the country is called gross domestic income, option C is correct. Next question, regional rural bank are sponsored by, so the right answer is Nationalized Commercial Bank, option A is correct. The market in which loan of money can be obtained is called money market, option C is correct. Expenditure, taxation and loan taking policies of government are called as fiscal policies, option A is correct. Next question, which is the example of sale tax? So the right answer option C, indirect tax. Next question, a country's balance of trade is unfavorable when import exceeds exports. Option B is correct. The age of tree is determined by its growth ring. Option C is correct. Question number 49, the harmful substance produced by the microbes are known as toxins. Option D is correct. Yeast is a fungi. Option B is correct. An edible underground stem is ginger. Option A is correct. What is the farming along with animal husbandry called? So the right answer is mixed farming. Next question, the most productive ecosystem in the biosphere is estuary. Option C is correct. Next question, which is an egg laying mammals? Option D is correct, spiny anteater. Next question, 55 fiber diet includes? Option D is correct, cellulose. Question number 56, a man with yellow blindness will see red as? Option C, green. Question number 57, a deficiency of iodine leads to goiter. Option B is correct. Next question, the lifespan of RBC of human is 120 days. Option B is correct. In mammal, largest gland is liver. Option B is correct. Question number 60, the hybrid between female horse and a male donkey is called mule. Option C is correct. Dengue is spread by mosquito. Option C is correct. Question number 62, which is smallest bird? So the hummingbird is the smallest bird. Option A is correct. Next question, which has the largest value of specific heat? So the water is correct. Water has the maximum value of specific heat. Option C is correct. Question number 64, direction of heat flows depends on? So here the right answer is temperature. Option D is correct. Which is used to split white light into different colors? Prism. Option D is correct. Question number 66, which determines the pitch of a sound? So option B is correct, frequency. If a cream is removed from the milk, its density increases. Option A is correct. Which element does not exhibit natural radioactivity? So option B is correct, aluminium. The metal chiefly used for galvanizing iron is zinc. Option A is correct. The acid used to dissolve gold is? Option A, hydrochloric acid. Question number 71, cinnabar is an ore mineral of mercury. Option D is correct. Next question, 72, soda water contains CO2. Option D is correct, carbon dioxide. Question number 73, to which direction of Tibet Himachal Pradesh is located? So it's west direction Himachal Pradesh is located. Next question, which lake is not located in the Chamba district of HP? So the right answer is Kareri. Kareri in the district Kangra. Next question, which is not the tributary of river Vyas? So the right answer is Mulgaon. Mulgaon is the tributary of Satluj. Baki else all the tributaries is of Vyas. Next question, 76, the total geographical area of HP is 55673 square kilometer. Option C is correct. I hope everyone knows this. Next question, the state animal of HP is snow leopard. Himachal Day is observed every year. So the right answer is 15 April. Total administrative division of HP is 3. Option A is correct. Surasi temple complex is located at which place in HP? So option C is correct, Barmore. Question number 81, Manikaran hot spring is located in which district of HP? So right answer option B, Kulu. Lady Kalong in HP is a glacier. Option B is correct. Founder of Sirmaur Princely State was Rasalu. Option D is correct. Trigarta is a modern period denotes to the Kangra. Option A is correct. Who was the last Raja of Bushar state? Is Padam Singh. Option D is correct. In which year into Pak Shimla agreement was concluded? Option D is correct, 1972. The capital Bhagat Riyasat was? Option C is correct, Solan. Who was the last judicial commissioner of HP? Option A is correct, Om Prakash. Next question, the secretariat building of government of HP at Chota Shimla is known as? So the right answer option A, Ellerslie. Pangwalas are, right answer is option D, none of these. Pangwalas are the tribal people who are living in Pangi Valley. Option D is correct here. Which group has the largest population in HP? So the option A is correct, Rajputs. Bodh monastery in Rivarsar has been built in Dakota style. Option C is correct. Solan Gola is a famous variety of tomato. Option B is correct. In which year St. Edward School Shimla was set up? So it was set up in 1925. Option D is correct. The Pahadi language formerly used to be written in which scripture? It's Tankri script. Very important question, mostly पूछा जाता है ये. 96, where in the HP State Social Welfare Board located? Option C is correct, Shimla. Question number 97, famous Hindi novelist Yashpal belonged to which district of HP? So option B is correct, Hamirpur. If the letter of the word vertical are arranged alphabetically, how many letters will remain at the same position? So the option D is correct. The next term in the number series 3, 9, 6, 36, 30 will be? So you can solve it out. Option A is correct here, 270. Question number 100, the next term in the letter series A, D, J, G will be? So the right answer is option C. You can just solve it. You will get the answer option C. Missing letter in the letter series 101 का right answer है option B. Now 102, Sunita is the 11th from either end of a row of girl. How many girls are there in that row? So 102 का answer option C. You can just calculate it. solve it. Sorry. 103, D is the B's father, V is C is the sister-in-law, A is daughter-in-law, how is A related to D? So 103 का right answer है option A. Please solve it and let me know whether I'm right or wrong. 104 का right answer option B. You can solve it, you'll get the answer 24. 104 option B is correct. Question number 105. If the southwest becomes north, then what will be the northeast will be? So it's C, south will be the right answer. Today is Thursday, the day after 59 day will be option 106. The right answer is Sunday, option C is correct. Next question, the age of father is thrice of his son. If the sum of the age is 48 years, what is the age of the father? The question number 107, option A is correct, 36 years, right answer. Question number 108, who has become the first female player to complete 20 years in international cricket recently? So the right answer is option A, Mithali Raj. Next question is 109, who is the director of the award-winning short film Spirit of Kerala recently? The right answer is Arun Joseph, option C is correct. The 2019 World Parliament of Science, Religion and Philosophy was held in which city? So right answer option C, Pune. Question number 111, Surendra Nath Singh is associated with which sports? Option A is wrestling. The paintings of Jodhaiya Bai Baga of which Indian state are being showcased in the exhibition in Delhi? So right answer option C, Madhya Pradesh. Who has become the first ever batsman to score twins 100 in the first test of opener? So option B is correct, Rohit Sharma. Which state government has recently launched a new governance initiative, MO Sarkar? So the right answer is Odisha is the right answer, option C. Question number 115, which oil company has recently launched drive to turn plastic to specialized bitumen? So the IOC is the right answer, Indian Oil Corporation. Question 116, the Swachh Bharat Divas 2019 was inaugurated from which city? So the right answer is Ahmedabad, option C is correct. Which company mutual fund has recently renamed as Nippon India Mutual Fund? So right answer option D, Reliance. Question number 118, appreciation का right spelling है option A is correct here. Sincerely का right spelling है sincerely का right spelling है option B. 120, employee का right spelling है option C. 121, excitement का right spelling है option D. eager का right spelling है option D. So next question, the man is blind by one eye, option B is correct. He has shot at the bird, option C is correct. He prayed that his brother might arrive safely, option C is correct. 126 का है Kamal walks as if he was lame, option A. Life is a tale told by an idiot, option A is correct. Question number 128, a man of odd habit, आपको यहाँ पे right answer चुनना है, choose one word substitution, so it's eccentric. 128 का option A is correct. 129, custom of having many wives, so it's polygyny, जो कि आज की दुनिया में पॉसिबल नहीं है. 130, यूजिंग ऑफ न्यू वर्ड्स, इट्स नियोलॉजिज्म, ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. लैक ऑफ एनफ ब्लड इज लैक ऑफ एनफ ब्लड, सो अनेमिया होता है जिसके अंदर खून की कमी होती है. कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ गॉड इज कॉल्ड ब्लास्फेमी, सो ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट हियर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 133, आपको इसका सिनोनिम चुनना है. द सेम वर्ड एडमोनिश इज थ्रेटन, ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. 134 का एडवर्सिटी का है मिसफॉर्च्यून. 135 टेनेटिव का है प्रोविजनल. 136 जेनेसिस का है बिगिनिंग, ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. डिसरप्ट का है ब्रेक, ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. नाउ शेष शब्द विशेष की राइट जो हिंदी में वाक्य है वो ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. पूज्य का जो राइट वाक्य है वो ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. साहित्यिक का ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. प्रसिद्ध का ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. 141 का बी. 142 का ए. 143 का संधि विच्छेद. स्वागत का है ऑप्शन डी, सु प्लस आगत. रविंदर का है रवि प्लस इंदर, ऑप्शन बी. व्यर्थ का है ऑप्शन डी, वी प्लस अर्थ, व्यर्थ. एंड अनुचित का है अन्वित का है अनु प्लस वित, ऑप्शन बी. चैन का है चे प्लस 146 का सी है एंड 147 का बी है. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है अंग, पर्यायवाची सुनना है. अंग का है काया. तीर का है ईशु, ऑप्शन डी. पुनीत का है विमल, ऑप्शन सी 150 का. एंड 151 का है चंद का आएगा पद्या, ऑप्शन बी. एंड उत्सव का आएगा समारोह, ऑप्शन डी इज़ करेक्ट. 152. 153 उष्ण का आएगा शीत, ऑप्शन डी इज़ करेक्ट. 154 का खल का आएगा सज्जन, ऑप्शन डी इज़ करेक्ट. 155 का सेवक आएगा स्वामी, ऑप्शन बी इज़ करेक्ट. चेतन का आएगा चेतन का आएगा अच्चर, ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट। कृपा का आएगा कोप, ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट 157 का। मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हड़प्पा इज सिचुएटेड ऑन द बैंक ऑफ विच रिवर? सो हड़प्पा सिंधु नदी के किनारे बसा है, ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट। द टर्म उपनिषदा लिटरली implies सिटिंग नियर, ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट। Gautama Buddha was born at Lumbini, option D is correct. Who was Mahavira? It's a 24th Tirthakar, option C is correct. The capital of Mauryan kingdom was located at Patliputra, option A is correct. Charak was the famous court physician of Kanishka, option C is correct. The first known Gupta ruler was, so option A is correct, Shri Gupta. 165. Which ruler built the Ellora temple? So the right answer is Rashtrakutas. The Khilji Sultan of Delhi were Afghans, option B is correct. Who was the founder of Lodi dynasty? So it's Bahlol Lodi, option D is correct. Humayunama was written by its Gulbadan Begum, option C is correct. The most powerful Peshwa was Baji Rao first. The holy book of Sikh religion is Guru Granth Sahib. So with this we have ended this video, and these all questions are very important because in these questions you will get an idea like what the board actually wants and which kind of questions they are asking in this kind of exams, so you can have a bit of idea, and whatever all the students who have given the exams, they can match their answer. And guys, if you like this video, then please do subscribe to my channel, because I am bringing here all the question papers and the latest question which is being asked by the Survey Selection Board Hamirpur. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.